The Bagsmart camera backpack features two easy-to-access opening door pockets, the first of which is located on the front. Inside you can see there are numerous customizable compartments for all of your camera needs. Here you can store flashes, lenses and other accessories. While on the side of the bag, there is another easily accessible door pocket to take your camera out instantly when you need to take that all-important shot. The Bagsmart camera backpack's multifunctional design also features a large compartment at the top of the bag in which to place your personal belongings. Additionally, there is a zip pocket at the rear in which to store your laptop and computer. In times of unexpected bad weather, the bag also comes with a waterproof rain cover. Last but not least, the bag also has a tripod holder, so when you're on the move, you can take out your tripod easily and store it conveniently. The clip at the top keeps the tripod in place so that it doesn't slip. As a backpack, you're able to go anywhere you need with your laptop, your personal belongings, your camera and your accessories.